Liberty takes pride in providing residents, businesses, and critical services like fire departments with safe and reliable water. There's a lot that goes into getting water to the people who need it. One way you can help maintain the water system is by being aware of your responsibility as a customer. Property owners are responsible for maintaining the water service line running between the home or building exterior and the water meter. In most cases, the service line was put in place at the time the home or building was originally built. Depending on the age of your home, your service line may have gone through years or even decades of seasonal changes, root invasions, or increasing blockages. Any of these may cause problems with your service and usually occur with little to no advance notice. If you do experience a problem, contact a qualified plumber to help. For conservation tips or general information about your water, visit libertyenergyandwater.com.